Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm making me some tuna fish, and this is the kind that I like. I like the tuna in oil, but I drain all the oil out, as you can see. So let's get started. Gotta hurry up and make this before Binks come. Get it all out of here. Then make sure you get all the lumps out of it. Now some people like the tuna fish in water, but my preference is oil, because I like it just a little moist. Okay, I got majority all the lumps out. Okay, put a spoon. Mayo here. I put like I just try to mix it all together. Consistency that I like it. Look creamy. Add some black pepper. Okay. A little French's mustard. You can use any mustard you prefer, but I prefer this one. You gotta make sure you shake this stuff up. Just a little bit of mustard, and you just combine. It smells so good. And what I like to add, a little of sweet relish in mine, you guys. Hold on, guys, while I get my son to open this. This stuff is hard to open, so while he's trying to open it, you guys, I got an egg over here. Might have to run that over some hot water or something. See, can we run some hot water over there? This thing is extremely hard to open. Okay, we finally got it open. So here's my egg. That was extremely, the egg went everywhere. That was extremely hard to open. We had to pry. Had to run hot water over it, and it still wasn't open, but we finally got it open. That's not good for folks that have arthritis in their hands or wrists. That's not good at all. And I had surgery on my hand several years ago. It's not good. I'm just trying to clean up my mess. Okay, this is the eggs. It's chopped up in here. So once again, I'm going to stir it up. Now, you can put whatever you want to put in yours, but this what I like in mine. Okay, and this is a sweet relish. I just add a little of it in here. About that much. Let me see, can you see that? About that much. Like a Okay, you guys, so here's my tuna fish here. Okay, I have my little egg in there, and I don't know, can you see it? Okay, so now I just have to sit in the refrigerator and get cold, and I'm gonna clean up my mess. So once my tuna fish get, this is the bread that I like to use, the honey oat bread. I get this from Kroger's. So I'm going to make my sandwich with that, you guys. And I also got some Ruffles chips, the original. I will be having that too. So I'm mainly probably making this tuna fish for tomorrow lunch for me. And yeah. So I thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to set this up in the refrigerator and let this get cool. Top on it. And I'm going to get these dishes together. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye now.